In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text in the Squarespace app. As we dive into this process, you'll find that creating links within your Squarespace site not only enhances navigation, but also boosts user engagement significantly. So let's get started by learning how to seamlessly add links to your text using Squarespace. First, open up your Squarespace website editor. Navigating to your website management interface is crucial, as this is the hub where all editing magic happens. Once you're there, look for the specific page or section where you want to add a link. If you're not sure where to start, just tap on any text block you've already created. Remember, your goal here is to locate the particular text that you want to hyperlink. Next, let's bring up the text editor. Simply click on the text you wish to modify and you'll see options to make edits. If the text is not already in an editable state, no worries. Just click on the Edit button. This will open the text editing toolbar, providing all the tools you need to style and link text. Now, with the text editor open, it's time to select the exact text you want to link. Highlight it by clicking and dragging over the words with your mouse or tapping on it if you're using a touchscreen device. Carefully choose the text, as this is the portion that will transform into a clickable link on your page. Once highlighted, look for the link icon in your toolbar. It's usually represented by a chain link symbol. Clicking on this icon is a straightforward step that will open up the link dialog box. This box is where the magic happens, where your plain text becomes a gateway to other content. In the link dialog, you'll need to type in or paste the URL you want your text to point to. Be sure to double-check this URL for any typos to avoid broken links. You can link to an internal page on your Squarespace site, an external website, or even an email address. Finally, with the URL set, look for the Save option, typically a small button towards the bottom of the panel. Clicking Save ensures that your changes are locked in, making your hyperlink active. Once you hit Save, Squarespace automatically updates the page, embedding your link within the text. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned to create an effective hyperlink in the Squarespace app. Practice adding links across various parts of your site as you continue to build and develop your web presence. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your Squarespace experience. Happy editing!